This stunning bird is Rupicola peruvianus, or Andean cock of the rock. As the name suggests, this bird is found in cloud forests of the Andes. Female Andean cock of the rock is generally brown, while the beauty is owned by males, with their unique crests. This bird has 4 subspecies which are differentiated by region, also by body and iris color. Generally, males have gray scapulars with black wings and tails. While the striking color depends on the subspecies, some are yellow, orange, and also red. Andean cock of the rock is known for its elaborate mating rituals. Males will gather in a lek. They will shout to call the female. When there are females, each will show their beauty and let the female choose. After mating, the female makes a nest in a rock wall, without males.